Only 17% of all startups have a female founder. And female entrepreneurs only receive 2% of venture capital. And what's worse is that our revenue share for our companies was actually better off 20 years ago.
Hey Queen, I'm Alex Batdorf. I'm a venture-backed serial entrepreneur, and I resigned from my last company because I was fed up.
I was fed up hearing about how hard it is for female entrepreneurs with very little solutions being offered. Instead of waiting on change to happen, we're gonna make it happen. When you tune in every week, you'll learn one key actionable takeaway on how to grow your company by learning from other badass babes who have already done it. We're taking female entrepreneurs from inspiration to activation. So less about her story and more about how she got shit done.